ImpressArt's Ergo Angle Hammer is an essential tool needed to metal stamp. The Ergo Angle Hammer provides ideal positioning for clean and even impression. For maximum control, it has a 1-pound head, eliminating double impressions, and it's designed for comfort. This is our seal block. It's an essential tool needed to metal stamp and be successful with metal stamping. It's constructed of carbon steel. It provides a sturdy work surface for hand stamping, shaping, flattening of metals, and texturing your metals. It also has protective rubber feet on the bottom to help minimize the noise and protect the work surface that you are stamping on, and prevent the block from moving while you're stamping. The large steel block is perfect for hand stamping bracelets and other large pieces. We also have this available at ImpressArt in a 2x2, which makes it a perfect size to travel with or for your stamping on the go activities. Another of ImpressArt's essential tools is our Stamp Guides book. This Stamp Guide book has 70 stickers inside. The first one being 14 straight sticker guides. And you can see you could peel them right off, and the adhesive is on the back. And this makes it easy to space out your letters and stamp in a straight line. Our next stickers are our circle stickers. Same adhesive on the back. These come in multiple sizes. You have your small and your medium, which are great for jewelry making, your large and your extra large. And these two sizes are great for Christmas ornaments or keychains or something that you are stamping that's larger in nature. Then we have our patterned sticker guides, and there are 28 of these. These are translucent, they are see-through, and you would just peel these right off. And you could see that pattern grid that is on that sticker. This makes it very easy to line up your designs, and especially your mandala patterns. So you would place this right on top of your blank and stamp right over it. When you're finished with your design, you would just simply peel the sticker away, and it would leave a really nice, clean, and lined up mandala or any other design. This is ImpressArt's Stamp Enamel Marker in the color black. This is used to darken stamped impressions so your design will be clearly seen. It basically pops your impression off the metal once it's darkened. It has a applicator marker that makes highlighting impressions quicker, easier, and cleaner. This enamel is formulated for metal and is water-based. These are ImpressArt's basic alphabet and number sets. They are metal stamps and they are rated for stamping on soft metals. The basic stamps are lightly coated with oil to prevent rust. The uppercase includes a full uppercase alphabet and ampersand. They are not marked on the shanks. The lowercase includes full lowercase alphabet and a question mark. Your basic numbers go from 0 to 8. And you are going to use your 6 to double as your 9. So these are ImpressArt's mid-range non-plated sets. The uppercase includes the alphabet and 7 bonus design stamps, and the lowercase includes the lowercase font and 7 bonus punctuation stamps. To open, you're just going to simply go to a corner, pop that open. The character is marked on the side of each stamp for easy identification and orientation. And they're rated for stamping on soft metals. ImpressArt's signature line was made with the professional in mind. To open the case, just simply pop at the corner. The signature stamp line are engineered from hardened steel, rated for stamping on alchemy, aluminum, pewter, copper, brass, silver, gold, and stainless steel 304 to 308. When necessary, the heads are tapered for precise placement. An extra sharp character design for crisp impressions. The character is marked on the side of the stamp for easy identification and orientation. They're lightly coated with an oil to prevent rust, and the storage case is labeled with slots for each stamp. This is ImpressArt's pewter stamping blanks. Pewter is a soft metal. It is lead, nickel, and cadmium free. It is an alloy consisting mostly of tin, which has been mixed with small amounts of other metals such as copper or antimony to harden it and make it more durable. Pewter is an excellent metal that will not tarnish. Alchemy is the new alternative to silver. It was developed by ImpressArt especially for metal stamping. Alchemy is easy to stamp, it's non-corrosive, it costs a fraction of the price of silver. Alchemy is lead and nickel and cadmium free. Some discs may have light scratches and blemishes, but they could definitely be polished out. Next is our aluminum metal stamping blanks. ImpressArt's aluminum is 16 gauge. Aluminum has great properties, is a lightweight material. It is hypoallergenic, is very soft and easy for a beginner. It is also made of food grade aluminum and does not tarnish or corrode. Our brass is made out of a jeweler's brass, red brass, or sometimes referred to as Merlin's gold. It is a great color match to a 14-karat yellow gold. It has beautiful color and has really nice weight to it. Our blanks for brass are 18 gauges, and thicker gauges allow for more metal to be displaced when stamping, resulting in deeper impressions. ImpressArt's copper are also 18 gauge. It has a beautiful, unique red, orange, and brownish hue to it. And copper in general is highly malleable and could be extremely easy to manipulate with different techniques. ImpressArt stainless steel blanks are made out of jeweler's grade 304 stainless steel. These blanks are hypoallergenic, they do not rust or tarnish. Make sure you are using our signature stamp line when you are creating with our stainless steel blanks. You want to make sure that the table that you are setting up on is flat, level, and is a sturdy surface. Try to avoid stamping on carpeted floor due to the bounce back. If you are having issues with your bench block having too much bounce on a table that you're using, move your workspace over to the corner of the table above one of the table legs. This will make sure that you have a very sturdy surface. When you're setting up your workspace, placement is key. I'm right-handed, so my hammer is always placed on my dominant side of the block. My block is in the center. On my left side is where I place my letter set. Now that our work area is set up, let's get acquainted with the hammer and our letter set, which for me is the fun part. I'm going to start by pulling out the word that I'm going to stamp and place it on my non-dominant side. You want to make sure to pick up your stamp in your non-dominant hand, and you want to make sure that the ImpressArt is facing you. You're going to automatically want to grab and line up with your dominant hand, but remember that your hand is used for the hammer, because when you switch from your dominant to your non-dominant hand, sometimes you risk the chance of having your stamp move or going sideways. So it's very important to line up your stamp with your non-dominant hand. Once you feel that your stamp is flat and positioned where you would like your letter to be, I want you to put some pressure on your stamp as if you're pressing it into the metal. Then you're going to pick up your hammer and give your stamp a nice, fluid, solid hit. Then you're going to continue making sure that your stamp is at a 90-degree angle. You're holding it between your thumb and your pointer finger. You also want to make sure that your hand is anchored to your block and your table.